What is up guys, today we have another gaming monitor to unbox, review and test. I'm talking about the new 32-inch 240Hz gaming monitor by Titan Army. The monitor uses fast IPS panel which offers blazing fast 1 ms response time, accurate colors and low input lag, features that are a must if you want a good gaming monitor for your setup. I can't wait to test this bigger 32-inch screen, which I'm sure will be awesome addition to my setup. But first guys, let's start by taking a closer look at the packaging. The monitor arrives in this box, the whole package weighs 12 kilograms, and the monitor itself is 8.7 kilos. So first we have the power brick. It's rated at 90 watts, which is plenty enough since the monitor's typical power draw is around 55 watts. Next we got the monitor stand base, which is made from metal and feels nice and sturdy. That's the user guide, the power cable, the DisplayPort cable and all the necessary screws and bits. And this is the monitor stand. Securely packed we have the monitor itself. First we have to attach the monitor stand. It easily clicks into place just like that. And the base requires just 3 screws. Now the stand itself feels quite sturdy. It has a wide sturdy base that keeps the monitor stable on your desk, even if you're adjusting the height or angle frequently. Speaking of adjustments, this stand offers a great range of ergonomic options. You've got height adjustment, tilt and swivel capabilities, allowing you to position the monitor exactly how you like it. The monitor is VESA mount compatible as well, so you can easily attach it to a monitor arm or wall mount for even more flexibility in your setup. And here it is fully assembled. The Titan Army P32A2S2 has a sleek modern design with fairly slim bezels, making it perfect for multi-monitor setups. The back of the monitor has a nice matte finish and an RGB light strip that adds a bit of flair to your gaming setup. Now let's take a look at the ports. The monitor comes with a solid range of connectivity options. We've got 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, 2 DisplayPorts 1.4 and a 3.5mm audio jack. With HDMI 2.1 you are future-proofed for next-gen consoles and high-end gaming PCs, supporting up to 240Hz at Quad HD resolution. Setting up the Titan Army monitor is just a breeze, and I will be using the PS5 for testing the monitor's features and image quality. Before anything else, let's check out the on-screen display menu. The OSD is navigated using the 5 little buttons on the bottom right part of the monitor and it's very intuitive. You can quickly adjust settings like brightness, contrast and color profiles. There are also dedicated gaming modes for FPS, RTS and more, which tweaks the monitor settings for optimal performance in different game genres. For instance, the game mode enhances dark areas, making it easier to spot enemies in shadowy corners, which is a must-have for competitive gaming. The on-screen display also gives you access to refresh rate overdrive and adaptive sync settings. Now guys, let's talk about what really matters, the display quality and performance. This monitor boasts a 32-inch 2560x4040p fast IPS panel, which delivers stunning visuals with deep black tones and vibrant colors. The 240Hz refresh rate and 1 ms response time are perfect for fast-paced games. The colors look vibrant and well balanced. The monitor covers 100% of the sRGB CIE 1931 color space, which is great for gaming and general use, and also handles 97% of the sRGB DCI P3 color space, which is important for content creators who need more vibrant and true-to-life colors. The color gradients are smooth without any noticeable bending, which is essential for both gaming and media consumption. The saturation is also spot on, giving you rich vivid colors without oversaturating the image. Skin tones look natural, there's a good level of detail in both shadows and highlights, thanks to the monitor's excellent contrast ratio. It's also plenty bright at 320 nits typical brightness and 350 nits max brightness. When it comes to HDR content, the Titan Army P32 really steps up its game. The HDR400 support adds a whole new dimension to your visuals, enhancing the dynamic range and making highlights brighter and shadows even deeper. It definitely looks great in supported games and movies. Now let's kick things off with GTA 5, a game that's known for its beautiful open world and detailed visuals. The next-gen update really improved the game's graphics vastly, and on this monitor it looks absolutely amazing. The large 32-inch screen really draws you in, and the 240Hz refresh rate makes even the high-speed chases and explosion action scenes smooth as butter. Everything looks crisp and clear, from the distant city skylines to the detailed environment reflections. The high refresh rate and low response time ensures there's no screen tearing or ghosting, even during the most intense moments. Next up, I also tried Black Myth Wukong, a visually stunning game that really puts the monitor's capabilities to the test. The Titan Army P32 shines here with its vibrant colors and excellent contrast ratio. The intricate details in the environments, the fluid animations and the dynamic lighting all come through beautifully on this monitor. The combination of high refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time means that every movement feels responsive and precise, which is exactly what you need in a game like this. And guys, what's the final verdict on the Titan Army P32A2S2 240Hz monitor? It's an absolute winner in my book and one of the best gaming monitors I've tested. The combination of a large, vibrant 32-inch display, super fast refresh rate and low response time makes it a perfect choice for gamers who want the best possible experience at a reasonable price. And it's not just about speed though, the color accuracy, HDR support and sleek design makes it a great all-round monitor for both gaming and content creation. So guys, if you liked this review video and the product, you can check out the links in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gaming content and tech reviews. Thank you for watching and see you all in the next video.